Project 7, Circuits that Connect Us. Introduction. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, you're surrounded by circuits. You turn on the light, use your phone, listen to music, connect to the internet. But how does all of this actually work? In this project, we'll explore how electricity, information, and systems work together to keep us connected. You'll learn how to build a simple circuit, discover how data travels through the air and cables, and understand how decisions are made inside machines. You'll also reflect on the impact of technology in our everyday lives. Main Reading. An invisible world. Mateo's dad repaired radios. His workshop was full of wires like underground roots. Everything is connected, son, just like trees beneath the ground. Mateo thought about his tablet, the light bulb in his room, the refrigerator. They're all connected too? Yes, said his dad. Through invisible circuits like veins that carry life. Science, electricity, electronics, and communication. What is electricity? How is it generated? Basic concepts. Electric charges and electric current. Basic components of a circuit, battery, switch, conductor, resistor, light bulb. Open and closed circuits. What is a short circuit? Conductive and insulating materials. Introduction to electronic circuits. What is digital information? How does data travel over the internet? Satellites, cables, signals. The role of semiconductors like silicon. Everyday examples. Switches, bulbs, phones, computers, sensors. Mathematics. Intro to voltage and current measurement. Simple circuit diagrams. Basic conceptual calculations, time and power. Use of electrical symbols, resistor, power source, switch. Tables comparing conductivity and resistivity of materials. Statistics. How many electronic devices do we use daily? Language arts. Expository text. How does an electric circuit work? Instruction writing. Step-by-step guide to building a circuit. Narrative or chronicle, a day without electricity. Interview. A local electrician or technician. Glossary of technical terms. Debate and written reflection. Does technology bring us closer or drive us apart? Art and technology. Draw and decorate electrical diagrams. Design a homemade lamp or decorative light device. Infographic. From the outlet to the screen. Build a model house with working circuits and lights. Create a collage or mural. Networks that connect us. Activities and experiments. 1. Build a simple circuit with a battery, bulb, and switch. 2. Classify materials. Does it conduct or not? 3. Small motor experiment. How is motion generated? 4. Use educational apps to simulate electric circuits. 5. Workshop. Design a useful device using cardboard, LEDs, and batteries. 6. Draw a tech connection map of your home or school. Ethical and social reflection. What impact does access or lack of access to technology have? What happens when a circuit fails? What about a social network? How has electricity changed the world? What should we do with old electronics? The digital divide. Who has access and who doesn't? Connection to Mexico. History of electricity arriving in rural Mexican communities. Biography of Guillermo González Camarena, Mexican inventor of color TV. Energy projects in remote areas, e.g. solar panels. Mexican companies that work with electrical networks. Exploration of indigenous technologies and their role in community connection, e.g. local radio or internet networks. Evaluation. Final product. My circuit logbook, which will include a diagram of a circuit you built, a narrative or chronicle about life without electricity, an infographic. How does a message travel from my phone? Photos or drawings of your experiments, a table showing conductive and insulating materials, evaluation criteria, understanding of how circuits work, use of appropriate technical vocabulary, accuracy in visual representations, creativity in designs and proposed solutions, participation in reflections about technology and society,